Hey, what's up, you guys? So today, you obviously read the thumbnail, like the title. Oop, little, okay. Anyway, you obviously read the title. This is a Shane Dawson spin. Like, this is my spin on Shane Dawson's drag tutorial. And honestly, I love how this turned out. I've been following Shane for several years. I mean, probably 8+ years now. Yeah. And I'm so proud to see who he is, like how far he's come, and oh my gosh, I love this wig. Hold up. Ooh. Okay. Um, and I just am so glad to see that he's still producing content 8+ years later. Um, and last year he came out with this drag makeup tutorial where he was honestly trying to do makeup, and I appreciate that. And I remember seeing him, like, I told my friend, I'm like, I want to redo this except in my way. And here we are a year later, almost a year later, and it's a trend now to do someone else's makeup on your face. So I should have done it when I first wanted to, but you know what? I'm glad I waited because I love how this turned out. And Shane, if you're watching, thank you for inspiring me. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling so you can get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows, like always, and primed my lids, and set them using Skull from the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. And today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. And the reason I'm doing that is because obviously Shane used very pastel colors, although they were metallic. But I need mattes because I'm me. And again, this is not one-to-one, this is me being inspired by it and seeing how I would do that type of challenge video type thing. Anyway, I'm actually going to be dipping into Clementine and Meow together and fluffing that into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Dope and really basically fluffing that on the whole outer third and into the crease. Okay, so now I'm really going to take a combo of Dope and Dagger, and I'll be applying that on the outer third, really in there. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm going to blend. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Doom right here, this very vibrant blue, and putting that all in the, all on the lid. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, we're just going to blend. So that is very pigmented blue, and I actually really like this by itself, but I need more. So this is where I'm going to basically veer off the path even more, and I'm going to take Goth Tears by Wet n Wild. This is one of their new liquid catsuit eyeshadows, and this is from the Gothographic collection. So I mean, honestly, pastel goth, gothographic, meant to be. Anyway, I'm going to be taking this and applying that right on top of Doom. Very quickly, I'm taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush just to blend out the edges. So I'm going to let this dry, And afterwards, I'm gonna come back with a full face on, as well as lashes, mascara, and everything else. No liner today, because not Cat, Shane did not use any liner, so I'll be right back. And I'm gonna be using my usual face routine. Okay, so now we're back, and I have my face on. I did bring my contour a little bit closer to the mouth to make it a little more drag-like. Also, just White Raven, gorgeous. I'm done. I love it. Like, look at her. Look at her. Anyway, ooh, let me just blend it out. Ooh. Bam. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the lower lash. To get the pastel goth palette, I'm gonna be taking Dagger right here and running that on the outer third, the lower outer third. Taking Dope, I'm gonna run that mostly under the lash. Now taking Doom, I'm gonna run that on the inner third. Ooh. I'm gonna be taking Meow and blending both of those out. Okay, taking some of White Raven, I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner. Now, before I do lower lash mascara, I'm actually going to skip lower lash mascara first of all. Secondly, I'm going to be doing something I have never done before, and I'm going to be applying some Swarovski little crystals, I guess. And I'm going to be popping that right under my eye. And I'm actually very nervous to do this, so I'm going to be using some of my House of Lashes lash glue to apply them. I'm only going to be applying one on each eye. And you might be wondering why I'm going to be adding this is because right now in drag there's this trend of doing that. Plus, Shane actually had that under his eye, had a huge strip of like crystals under his eye, so it's just paying homage to that. This is nice and tacky. I think I got the wrong size. Obviously this year I am really jumping out of my comfort zone with what I'm doing with my channel. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm not even going to apply lower waterline eyeliner because I kind of like it how it is. I'm going to move on to the lips. And for lipstick today, I'll be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paints in Lilac Lust because Shane was using a very creamy purple. And this is a very creamy light purple. By the way, I did get the wrong size. These are too big, so yeah. These are 7mm. I should have gone with 5. Okay, so now I'm going to spray my face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are at the finished look, and I love how this turned out. And yes, I did put on this wig. I'm actually very grateful to my friend Chris, as you saw her a few days ago. She let me borrow this wig from her, and I absolutely love it. Obviously, I don't have the wig that Shane had in the video, but I feel like this is a gorgeous replacement for it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this. And I had to just say, I've been a subscriber to Shane for a long time. I mean, I remember freshman year of high school was the first time I remember like fully seeing one of his videos. And I was just like, who is this? He's funny. I need to keep up with him. And I have throughout the years, and I'm still glad that he's producing content. And his content has gotten so good. Shane, if you're watching this, thank you for inspiring me. That's all I basically can think to say. I know this look is not exactly one-to-one to how he did it, because again, this is inspired or how I would do it. But yeah, I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look like my mom. Just tan. Okay, now with that realization, and the realization that my my lazy eye is more inward than outward, and I put it one crystal more outward than inward, so yeah, I'm feeling a little weird right now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button. And I have to ask, if like a huge favor, kinda, please, if you do want to, please share this with Shane, because again, I've been following him for years. I'm glad to see how far he's come, and I just want to show him that I'm paying homage to him with this. So yeah, I think that's all I can think of for right now. If you like this, I already said that. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.